Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see your McDonald's app order history in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your McDonald's application on your phone. Then you just have to make sure that you logged into your account. Now here on the home screen, you just have to tap on this More tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here in this particular list, you are going to see the tab that would say order history. So you can tap on that and then you are going to see all of your previous order history or the order details, including the dates, the locations and the purchased items. So if you are not able to find it over here, you can also just open your email address which is linked to your McDonald's account, and on your email address you receive the order receipt whenever you place the order, so you can view the history from your email address as well. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.